Hey there, this is Lori from Rideshare Silver, and I am doing a quick video to show you how to create a custom Lyft promo code as a driver. If you are a driver, you should absolutely be sharing your code to sign on new riders and new drivers. It's a great way to make a little bit of extra money on the side for driving for Lyft. So you can either go right into your Lyft driver app on your smartphone, or you can sign on Lyft.com on your computer. It's all the same. So we're going to go up here and we're going to go to your dashboard. And in your dashboard, on the smartphone, you're going to get the hamburger. Go all the way down to passenger referrals. And it's as simple as that. So you can create a custom referral code. You tap it in here. Try to make it as short and memorable as possible. But because they're unique codes, you might have to enter a few codes to find one that isn't already used already. These are my codes, and as you can see, I've been able to create quite a few unique codes. They're going to initially assign you one, and this is my assigned one right here when I first started driving for Lyft. So that's your default one, but it's better to get your own unique codes to pass out locally. And they're easy. Make them as easy as possible to remember, and then get them printed out on Vistaprint on cards, and pass them out. Keep them in your car and pass them out to riders, and try to make a little bit more money, because currently you can see at the very bottom, you can find out how much per city is being paid for each new passenger referral. So let's go to Albany, New York. It's $10. Most of them are $10. There are some that have a lot of ridership that are less, $5. $5 is the lowest. $20 is the highest, but most of them are going to be in the $5 to $10 range. So you can kind of go and see where you're living and where you're handing them out and see what the average cost is. Right now, I think in like Houston, I think it's $20, which is actually amazing. That's a really good amount. So if you live in Houston, you could really be rocking this. Let's take a look. I'm going to make sure. Yeah, Houston, $20 for anybody who you sign up as a new rider. So if you're in Houston, get busy. Pass these out. Take them out to bars. Take them to hotels. Take them to any place where there's a lot of people, and pass them out like candy, and see if you can't make a little bit of money doing this. So hopefully that was helpful. And if you have any suggestions or questions, please comment below and like the video. That really helps my channel. And hope to see you on the road.